In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat in a Telegram bot quickly and correctly, even if it's your very first time using one. This is a super useful skill because Telegram bots can help you with support, automation, updates, games, reminders, downloads, and so much more. If you've ever opened a bot chat and wondered what to do next, this tutorial will make it simple. And before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the bot chat you want to use. You can usually find it from a link, a search result, or inside a channel or group. Once you open the bot chat, look at the bottom of the screen. If this is your first time chatting with the bot, you will usually see a start button. Go ahead and click start. This tells the bot that you want to begin the conversation and activate its features. After you tap start, the bot will respond and show you the available options or a welcome message. These options may appear as buttons, text commands, or a menu depending on how the bot is designed. If you are chatting with the bot after the first time, you may not see the start button again. That is completely normal. In that case, look for a menu option, often at the bottom or inside the chat interface. Tap or click that menu to bring up the bot's available commands and features. This is where you can see what the bot can do and choose the action that matches your needs. After the menu opens, simply follow the prompts based on what you want to do. For example, you may be asked to choose a category, enter information, select a setting, or confirm an action. Telegram bots are designed to guide you step by step, so just read the options carefully and tap the one that fits your goal. If the bot asks you to type a message, make sure to enter it exactly as requested so the bot can understand and respond properly. If the bot uses buttons, just tap the button you need and continue through the next steps. The key thing to remember is that every bot can work a little differently, but the basic process is the same. Open the bot chat, press start the first time, use the menu later, and follow the available options to complete your task. If something does not work, double check that you are in the correct bot chat and that you are following the bot's instructions carefully. Once you get used to it, chatting with Telegram bots becomes very easy and very fast. You can use them for all kinds of tasks without needing to message a real person. So that's how to chat in a Telegram bot the simple way. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.